Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start now, power the keyboard off and unplug it so nothing shorts. Remove batteries if it's wireless. First, pull the keycap straight up and set caps aside by row so reassembly is fast. Next, position the switch puller around the switch body, not the stem, and pull straight up with steady force. You do this to release retention clips from the plate while keeping pins aligned, which prevents bending and makes reinsertion smooth. Once you've removed the first switch, inspect the pins for straightness. Bent pins cause misshating and can short. If needed, straighten pins with flat nose pliers so they feed into PCB holes cleanly. Now align the replacement switch so pins enter both the PCB and plate simultaneously. Start shallow and then press squarely until you hear or feel the clip engage. You press evenly to avoid leaning that can stress the plate or tear PCB pads. Once all new switches are seated, replace keycaps in order and make sure larger keys have stabilizers properly positioned. Misaligned stabilizers cause wobble. Plug the keyboard back in and run a switch tester or your OS keyboard tester to confirm every key registers. If a key doesn't register, power down, reseat that switch and recheck pins. If reseating fails, inspect the socket for debris or damage. Only resort to soldering.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.